In Denmark, there's a lot of talk about new buildings now, especially in the last couple of years. There's an incredible amount of people talking and talking, but not so many taking action. We in the KS Group, including you, we take action every day. This is our business. This is shipbuilding and not ship talking. Thanks to all the management, thanks to the directors, project managers, office staff and foremen. Thanks to all the shipbuilders, welders, erectors, cleaners, grinders, etc. And also a huge thank you to the unsung heroes of shipbuilding like crane drivers, transporters, storage personnel, all office staff, canteen staff, etc. Each of you play an important role in this whole cooperation. Your daily efforts are necessary to keep all the wheels turning.